Hey, you guys, it's your girl, Lady T. Come with me as I clean my you know what blank kitchen. I don't usually do videos like this, but they say do videos like this, faceless, and this is what's working. So this is what I'm doing. I had to do it anyway. You know what I'm saying? They said pick up the camera and vlog what you're doing, and that's what I'm doing, y'all. Cause whatever I do, don't nobody watch, so it don't even matter. But yeah, refrigerator, not too bad. It's not too much in the freezer. But these dishes, baby. My dishes, it took, y'all, look, I clean my house a couple of times a day, so I got ready for y'all on this one. I let them sit. So anyway, yeah, let me do these dishes and stuff. But y'all, while we over here chit-chatting, what does everybody think about what's going on with the Diddy case? Some of the craziest stuff is going on with it. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. what? And then we got Trump involved too. Oh my good lord, why? Um, it's been a very interesting case. I can definitely say that. I don't I don't want to give my foreseen opinion, but uh the dealer is definitely facing some things, and hey, I hope he got God on his side. That's all I gotta say, because he definitely got a lot going on, y'all. So what do you guys think? Cause like some of the witness Gene Deal as just showing up, Chopper showing up, a lot of people just showing up to see um did he probably get what he deserves? You know what I'm saying? He did a lot of people wrong in the industry, out of the industry, stopping people from getting jobs and things like that. And we ain't gonna even talk about the freaky deaky part and all the uh, Astroglad or what. Yeah, the Visine. I don't know what Diddy got going on, but oh, we is bad. And yeah, I hope he make it through it and it don't end up to being some type of Epstein thing going on. Y'all excuse Hazel if y'all hear her snoring, cause my baby definitely is knocked out right now, and she always got to be up under me. It's just a part of it. That's my baby, my big baby, but she my baby. So yeah, um, do you agree with what's going on with Diddy or not? Drop me down a comment. Put me your comments down below. If you agree with what's going on or you disagree what's going on in his case, you think they trying to just sit him down for no reason, or is these valid reasons to have him, under federal investigation? Um, yeah, he definitely got a lot going on, and I don't really know what my brother gonna do, but yeah, he up there trying to look like Grandpa Combs in court, and they say it's not really working, you know. Yeah. So what you guys thinking down below? You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Uh, what else is going on that's crazy out there? Besides the Diddy case. Let me see what's going on. Kind of nothing really, except for well, I guess the Larry Hoover thing is something to be looked into. What y'all think? Y'all think they gon' fully pardon him? Y'all think that Pritzker is going to fully pardon him because he has a commute right now? That just means he's going to state. And I guess he'll have a chance for parole. But yeah, there's still more say so to see if he's gonna get out. Crazy, crazy, seen crazier. The Trump pardon Diddy thing, like, first of all, you got to be convicted. So I'm wondering how we putting the horse in front of the cart in front of the horse. But hey, I mean, nobody said it was a bad thing to hope and pray or see what all your options are. So I guess asking Trump for a pardon might be one of them. I truthfully don't think that will happen, but Hey, let's see. Yeah, I had got this mixer, you guys, because I have a fiberware. Yeah, I think y'all seen it. But the whisk attachment is been broke for about a year, and I have been looking for a year for a replacement attachment, and I believe that the company has like discontinued that stand mixer. I guess the attachments also. So I mean, it's still usable, but I need my whisk also. So I picked up this cute little beautiful brand and Drew Barrymore, and yeah, she gonna do it. She'll work. So I definitely needed the whisk attachment, but yeah, let's see what this sucker does, though. You know, I mean, it's always a good idea anyway to have a couple of them. So it is what it is. But yeah, you guys, leave me some comments down below. Like I said, nobody really watches my videos, so I really don't care. But it would be appreciated if you did. So yeah, go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video of me cleaning my blank 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 kitchen up. Yeah. Might throw a little bit of music in there for y'all, a little listening entertainment, but hey, Roman on 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take it, things and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to the light, if it's 50 with the fire. Fire, 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 fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take it, things and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to the light, hit them strictly with the fire. It's a vibe, they a dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna come by yacht, nah. Slow, confused, how we go. Holidays, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. She only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I take away the pain, I give you everything. I just wanna see you when you wanna see this. I trust you, I tell you, I won't waste your time, I turn it off. Just so I can tell you, I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you, I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off. Just so I can tell you, baby. Weekends get poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
neighbor questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. That's always gonna know the truth every time I hear it. And I can't command my own name, cause that's an interference. I don't take it from a home game. They're trying to sell tickets. And if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing. And your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? Say all to Jesus, I surrender all. To thee I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him in His presence daily live. I surrender
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss, take off the weird ass jewelry, I'ma take good steps, but I'm taking off top off. Take off the fabricate streams and the microwave memes, it's a real world outside. Take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo, take off the Sandro, pay 5-day stay, take off for the meal, and the Friday. Take off the fuck flag, take off perception, take off the cop with the iPad, take off the allure, take off the unsure, take off decisions I like. Take off the fake beat, take off the fake woke, take off the I'm broke, I care. Take off the gossip, take off the new logic, that if I'm rich, I'm real. Take off the sugar, take off the dope, take off the bacon bag. Take all that wisdom, that bullshit off, and what do you have?
You ugly as fuck. You out of pocket. 2 ATMs, you stepping to what? You out of pocket. Who you think they talk about us? You out of pocket.